how can employers ensure that their H-1B employees are fully compliant with US immigration laws and regulations?
Yeah, so if they're on a H1, I'm presuming in your fact scenario that they're on a H1 because the compliances are
Mhm.
different depending on which status they're on.
Okay.
And if they're US citizens, they're completely different. So, um, there are obviously some general requirements from the Department of Labor that everyone has to follow. You have to pay them wages, you have to pay them on time, you have to pay taxes, etc., etc. But there are also some requirements that are specific for people who are on a H-1B status. So you have to pay them the prevailing wage as per
Mhm.
the labor condition application that was approved. They have to work at the work location based on again, the LCA that was approved. And if they're going to be moving from that work location, they should file for an amendment before they actually move. And again, you have to pay them every single day if they don't get paid. And if you bench them, then USCIS says that that's violating their H-1B status. If they're not working, then
Mhm.
they should be let go so that they can use the 60 days grace period and then file for a H-1B transfer. But you cannot not pay them and bench them and then still uh, you know keep them as your employees. That is really violating Department of Labor regulations. So I think these are a few things that you have to keep in mind. You also have some documentation requirements. You need to maintain the public access folder at your office for that
Mhm.
employee. If you're using E-Verify for your other employees, then you need to E-Verify them as well. Um, other documents has to have to be available for inspection. The labor condition
Mhm.
application before it's approved has to be posted for 10 days at your work site. So these are some of the things that you need to take care of if you're hiring a H-1B employee. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos if you like what you see. Also give us a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.